Namaste. Myself, J.V. Dr. Priyaka Pillai, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, Jyoti Vidyavin, Jaipur. Today, I am going to deal with on the topic mode of action of Svedana. Svedana Karmapada, yeah, mode of action. Svedana mainly has four actions, that is Stambhakna, Gauravakna, Shidakna, and Sveda Karavatva. First action is Stambhakna. Svedana relieves Stambha, Vyanavada, Shleshaka Kapha, Amarasa, Mamsa, Meda, Vasa are mainly responsible for Stambha. Vayu by Rukshaguna absorbs Snigdha and causes Stambha. Svedana is Snigdha and Ushna, so it relieves Stambha. Ushtaguna of Svedana does Srodoshuddhi and Amapajana, and so it relieves stiffness. Second one is Gauravakna. Svedana relieves heaviness in the body, causes excretion of water contents of the body through Sveda. Apyatatva or Kleda is Guru. Due to the elimination of Kleda, lightness is achieved. Svedana stimulates muscles and nerves, and so lightness is produced. Next is Shidakna. Due to Ushna Guna, it relieves the Shidakna. Next is Svedakaraka. Svedana promotes sweating. Sveda is a type of mana. Impurities of the body comes out with Svedana. Fifth one is Srodosihu Abhiviyade. It helps to dissolve the kapha which is in Gradida, that is dense form, which sticks to the Srodus firmly. Further, it liquefies kapha, allowing it to move freely. Reference Charaka Chikitsa 17 chapter 71 to 76 slogan. Khali Mardhavam Ayanti. It makes the channel soften. By this, Father flows in Antoma direction. Reference Charaka Chikitsa 17 chapter 71 to 76 slogan. Next is Sleshma Vishyandade. It increases secretion of vitiated kapha through the Srodhas. Svedana Dravyas are Ushna and Tikshna by which are capable of penetrating the Sukshma Srodhas, where they activate the sweat glands to produce more sweat. After the dilation of Sukshma Srodhas, Lekhu and Saraguna of these drugs enable them to act on the doshas in the Srodhas, remove the stagnations, making the sticky contents to liquefy and make them to move towards the koshta or excrete them through micropores of the skin in the form of sweat, resulting in Srodoshodhana. The doshas are brought into koshta and are expelled with the help of Vamana and Virejan. Dalhana mentioned that doshas which are lodged in the shaka are moved towards the koshta by Snehana and Svedana. Vagbhata mentions that the waste products are removed from the body by two similar ways as dirt of the cloth is removed by hot water and soap. Reference Ashtanga Sutra, 18th chapter, 58th sloka. Sveda is a byproduct of Medodadu, which dominates in Jala Mahapuda. The Sveda produces Kleda in the body, which is also Up or Jala Mahapuda Pradhana. The Udaga is present in the body like fishes, urine, sweat, lymph, blood, etc. It performs important functions like Jivana, Tarpana, Manashodhana, etc. When Svedavaha Srodhas is vitiated, it leads to the presentation of various symptoms like irregular production of sweating, roughness of skin, burning sensation all over the body, etc. Sweat consists of sodium chloride, water, urea, uric acid, potassium, calcium, etc. These all substances are present in extracellular fluids also, which provides nutrition to the cells. Excessive sweating in the body leads to depletion of contents of extracellular fluid. Sodium chloride is one of the major substances which is lost during sweating. Due to its loss, feeling of exhaustion or weakness in the body occurs. Svedana acts by its guna like Ushna, Tikshna, etc. It increases the metabolic rate in the body. Ushna guna of the Svedana dilates the capillaries, thus increases the circulation. Increased circulation enhances the elimination of waste products and more absorption of sneha or drugs through the skin. Also, it stimulates muscles and nerves, which promotes renovation. Heat administered by Svedana may produce hypnoanalysis effect by diverted stimuli. Thank you. The assignment is explain Svedana Karmagata in detail. Next is number of Sakti Sveda Karmas as per Sharaga option. 10, 12, 30, and 4. It is asked for Hyderabad exam and UPSC also in the year 1995. Thank you. I hope you all understand my class on this topic. So if you are having any queries, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.